Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Here on the daily chart, Ethereum is still in a pullback. At least there is no strong indication that a low has formed locally. This correction started, it actually really started here on the 7th of December. And both wave counts, as I already mentioned in yesterday's video, still valid and relevant. So for example, in the white scenario, we have this ABC structure to the upside in wave 5 with a very short B wave, a very shallow B wave, very weak B wave. And we could be in the C wave to the upside, but the invalidation point, and that hasn't changed, is around $3,010. That's the mid-November low. So it could be that this C wave to the upside has started, and that is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could be doing that. But at the moment, there is no strong evidence a low is in. I think a wider ABC structure would look best if we talk about the yellow scenario, and then we should go higher from there. So both bullish scenarios, either we go up directly, that's still possible, or we are forming a wider ABC structure, but also then we should go higher, provided the $2,407 level is holding, which it is at the moment. So I'm still looking for higher as long as we're holding above support. But please note, all of this is like an ABC structure. So we're not dealing with impulses here. It's like very difficult to track these structures when we're not dealing with impulsive structures. Hopefully in the next cycle, this will be better and again, easier. It should be. But first of all, before we enter the next cycle, there should be a large correction after this larger or substantial top has formed. Yeah? Looking at the smaller time frame, as I said, this correction is unfolding. Whoops, 1 second. Where is the smaller time frame? I need to open it. Thought I had it. Oh, there it is. No. Got 3 daily charts open. What's going on? Let's open the short-term chart. So this is the shorter time frame, and yeah, we are here in a micro support area. I communicated that yesterday because the initial bounce from the Friday low looks like a 5-wave move up. Of course, we can't just trust that, but a 5-wave move up is typically the earliest signal that some kind of a low is in. Now, as I said, this could be the A wave, which could then form or lead to a larger ABC structure, or it could be the wave 2. Which one it is isn't so important. What is important is that to consider further that some kind of a low is in place, we need a reaction to this support region. So that's what I'm tracking. It takes a break above, in case you're looking for, let's say micro resistance. It takes a break above 3,489 to indicate that a low of sorts is in place, right? For now, it's possible that in this move down that started recently, here on the 6th of December actually, that we get one more low. So the main question on the shorter time frame is a low in, or do we get one more low? That's not yet answering the question whether we are in the white count or the yellow count. That needs to be answered here on the daily chart, right? Depending on if we get an overall upside breakout or not. But for now, on the shorter time frame, the question needs to be around, do we get one more low, or is some kind of a low in place? And then the next question will be, if a low of sorts is in place, okay, is it the yellow count, or actually are we breaking out directly? We don't know that yet. First of all, the main question is about, okay, is the market able to hold some kind of a low here? And we've dipped into this support region I communicated. We're now hovering just above the 61.8 retracement, and it takes a break above 3,489 to indicate a low of sorts is in place. And to keep this scenario alive, that some kind of a low is formed, we need to hold above 3,188. These are the Fibonacci levels, 3,188 and 3,263. As long as they hold, maybe we will get one more high here at least, and maybe it develops into something more bullish, but this is the area of interest at the moment, the area of focus where the buyers could step in. Quite interesting when we're entering such an area towards the end of a trading week, because when the weekly candle closes, we typically get some volatility. So there should be a decision made here shortly, right? I've shown the pathway lower as well, but it's really only for understanding the possible microstructures, and that resistance is here located at 3,489. So the focus today needs to be on this micro support area and resistance to see if the market can form some kind of a low. Okay, the 5-wave move up looks somewhat promising, but it's not enough. It's too small. It's not enough to confirm a low is in place. So yeah, that's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.